just wanna do a quick video to update you on how I keep my hair straight at night. I don't remember the last time that I actually straightened my hair, so I'm like, I might as well keep it going for a few days, even though I might put it in a bun tomorrow. But anyways, so it's basically the wrap method. We also have a Haitian way of doing it, so that's what I'm gonna show you. I just got home, and basically the first thing you're gonna wanna do is detangle your hair. And if you hear noises, because I am trying to kind of cook, so I can eat right after this video. So you just brush out your hair. If you have a fresh blowout, it's not gonna be an issue. So the thing is, my hair is already like sectioned here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to continue to detangle my hair, and because I have a side part, I'm gonna go with the side part here. So I'm gonna wrap my hair this way with a big brush first. Like this. And you want to make sure that you feel like the roots are really stuck to your scalp, and that you're pulling everything, so that you don't wake up with spots that are not straight. And yeah, so I'm gonna go back again. Up. Ok, pour celles qui regardent en français, je pense que vous comprenez la vidéo, vous voyez ce que je fais. C'est le wrap, et j'avais fait une vidéo précédemment, enfin il y a plusieurs années, sur comment garder ses cheveux lisses. Donc ça c'est un update, et là, sorry, I'm going back to English. So now I'm going to use a finishing spray. I like to use this one because it's actually nourishing your hair. So I'm just gonna go like this really quickly, not too much. And then I'm gonna go with this type of brush that you usually use for like when you want a really sleek bun or middle part. And I'm going to do the same motion, and I'm gonna put my finger here because it tends to lift, and my main priority is my ends, because I'd rather correct the roots of my hair the next day than going back on my ends, the ends of my hair, because these are the oldest part of your hair, as you must know. And so that's what you do. You're doing the same motion. I know, I don't remember exactly how Dominican call it. I know in the US you call it a wrap, but sometimes it's difficult to do, and the reason why is because in Haiti what we do is, let's see, that's why I put my finger. In Haiti we actually use, we always use, that's the only difference, to be honest. And man, this is the Haitian way of doing things. It's just the fact of using a finishing product, and usually people don't do it because they want their hair to stay flowy and silky, but I promise you that this one, this is a French brand, I think, yeah, Eugene Perma. I'm gonna put the link on from Amazon if you are really interested in that. And yeah, so I'm gonna go back just one more time. Just one more time. And then you already know. You already know. Put out your scarf. Put out your scarf. Think that you're gonna put a bit like this and it's gonna stay straight. You are dreaming. So then it's very important, the side that you're gonna use to tie the knot is what's going to be very crucial. So as you can see, because of the finishing spray, which is nourishing as well, and the next day I'm not gonna have any residue, it's holding itself. So what I do is I go this way, and I need my ears, and this is where I actually tie the knot. Not actually tie the knot, but this is where I cross the wrap, and then in the back I'm gonna tie the knot like this. It's very quick, very easy, and that's it. And actually I don't have my bonnet next to me, but I'm gonna put a bonnet on, and pretty simple. Okay, so now it's time for me to eat, and I hope this video was helpful, and I will actually post a photo of my hair the next day, even though I already know that I'm not gonna keep my hair straight. I'm on a healthy journey. I'm trying to make them grow healthier and maybe not thicker, because it has a lot to do with the type of hair that you have, but whatever. So this is how you keep your hair straight at night. Hopefully that'll help, and so don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'm still on my Take Care with Wendy journey, and yeah, today I'm feeling really inspired, feeling good. So yeah, just to make this video. Okay, anyways, much love. Follow me on Instagram, the link is down below, and don't forget to tell me how it worked for you, and yeah, bye. Bye. Oh, if you're married, this is so sexy with the bonnet on. Okay, bye. Much love. Okay, so this is the next day, and this is the bonnet that I was talking to you about. It is currently 11 something, whatever. So I'm going to remove my bonnet, and I was thinking of doing a voiceover, but if I decide to do that, this video is never gonna make it to the internet, so I am going to explain as I am doing it. I remove this bonnet, So I still have the scarf under. And so I am going to remove my scarf. And the next thing is taking a brush. And I always start where the ends of my hair are. And I detangle gently. And since I have a side part, I'm going to try to retrieve this side part. But the main thing I wanted to show you is the end. Especially if you have a relaxed hair or hair that are fragile or breaking off, but every once in a while you would like to straighten your hair. You can see the ends of my hair. The ends are straight. I don't need a trim. This is not the topic of this video. And yeah, took literally like 2 minutes. And usually it takes less because I am not showing or explaining anything. And I'm gonna show you the back. And this is it. And to those who think that using a finishing spray is going to weigh down your hair, look at this movement. It is moving. I don't care what you... No, look. It is moving. Movements. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm still going to post episodes of Take Care with Wendy. It's just gonna be different. It's gonna be in English instead of French because my Instagram account is in English, and yeah, I didn't know it's the same topic for years. What language is going to be my channel, but whatever, okay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my YouTube account as well, because sometimes YouTube plays tricks, and I know that a lot of subscribers don't actually see my videos. Anyways, getting too long, I know. Much love. Take care. I don't know what that was. Okay, bye.